Hey guys, now we would like to explain briefly how you can install the storage space for 701 Enduro or Supermoto. The first step, you have to take out the OEM airbox. First thing, you have to remove the side panels on both sides. Each side panel is on 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. So please remove these 4 bolts, and then you need to release these 4 bolts on the OEM airbox. One is here. Second goes here behind this fairing, and then the same from the other side. After you release them, you have to also release the clamps that holds the intake from the engine. You release the one closer to the engine, and then you lift it from the back up, and you release it this way. When you have the airbox outside, you need to take out the OEM snorkel. It looks like a short sleeve, but it's quite long. Yeah. You have to now squeeze it a little bit with your thumb and get it out. Now we take our small airbox and the OEM snorkel, and you put it inside like this. Then you take away the bolts and release the cage, and you can fit on the small airbox on the engine intake. Don't forget to put there the 2 clamps. Now you need to connect the small airbox with a connection here. This is the engine reader. After the small airbox sits on your engine, you put on the foam filter. You sit it on a cage and you secure it with a frame. And the last step, you just fit in the storage space, and then you are ready to go.